In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect a LibreOffice Writer document. If you need to keep sensitive information private or simply want extra peace of mind, LibreOffice makes it straightforward to secure your document with a password, and I'll walk you through each screen so nothing is confusing. First, launch LibreOffice Writer and open the document you want to protect. If you're starting from a new file, that's fine too. These steps work the same way. Next, go to the File menu and choose Save As. Even if the document is already saved, using Save As is the cleanest way to apply password protection or to create a protected copy without changing your original. This also ensures you see the security options you need. In the Save As window, look toward the bottom and check the box labeled Save with Password. That single checkbox tells LibreOffice to encrypt the file when it saves. For best compatibility and strong protection, keep the default Writer format. Now choose a clear file name and a location you'll remember. Then click Save. A Set Password dialog will appear. This is where you decide how people can access the file. To require a password every time someone opens the document, type a strong password in the Enter Password to open field and retype it to confirm. Use a passphrase you won't forget. Longer is better, and mixing words or uncommon phrases improves security. Remember that passwords are case-sensitive, and there's no built-in recovery if you forget it, so consider storing it in a trusted password manager. If you want to let others read the document but prevent changes, click Options and set a separate file sharing password. This creates a second layer. People can open and view the file normally, but they'll need this additional password to make edits or save changes. Share that editing password only with people you trust to modify the document, and keep it distinct from the open password for clarity. When your passwords are set the way you want, click OK to confirm. LibreOffice will finish saving with encryption applied. From now on, opening the file will prompt for the open password. If you also set a file sharing password, the document will open in read-only mode unless the editing password is provided. That's all it takes. You've protected your Writer document with reliable encryption, and the protection stays in place every time you save. Keep your passwords safe, use names and locations you'll remember, and you're all set.